Do you have any reservation?
Yes, it's under the name of Maria Alma Jr. Ruby de Lima, a queen-size bed of 3 days and 2 nights stay.
Do you have the booking confirmation, ma'am?
Here is it.
Alright, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I will need just one moment. May I request any identification card, please?
Yes, here's my driver license.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for patiently waiting. This is your identification card. Thank you. Upon checking in our system, there is confirmed booking under the name of Ms. Maria Alma Jane Lima for 3 days and 2 nights stay. On the reservation of Mr. and Ms. Duas and a deluxe non-smoking room with a view of Taal Lake. Your bills will be settled via Visa card amount of 12,810, making it as 6,405 pesos per room per night. Are these all information correct, Ms. Molina?
Yes, that's all correct.
May we just borrow your card, please?
Okay, wait for a second.
Thank you very much. May we ask you your signature here, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Here's your receipt, ma'am.
Thank you. So, what included in the cost anyway?
A continental meal plan every morning between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. An airport travel service and the use of the hotel safe are all included.
So, what's not included in the price?
Well, as for your room, Ms. Molina, you can see the minibar and the drinks open. You will charge to your personal account as well as the hotel provide room services at additional charge, of course.
So, what about the wireless internet?
That's pretty easy. This is your access code and the instruction on how to use it. As well as this is the list of all the amenities like the pool and the gym.
Thank you.
Alright, ma'am, this is your card. And I got you all cheap into you. This is your new card, ma'am. Thank you very much. Just take the elevator up to 6th floor. And when you get off from the elevator, just turn right. Your room is located at the corridor of the left side. Do you need any assistance to your luggages, ma'am?
Oh, that's a great help.
Okay, ma'am. Just leave your luggages here and Mr. David will assist you.
Okay, thank you.
So do you have any questions or concerns? Please dial 0.
So, what about the check-out time?
At the ready, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure, ma'am. Enjoy your moment and Escala Taytay Hotel.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Estala Tagaytay Hotel. How may I help you?
We're checking out of room 653.
Certainly, ma'am. Just wait for a moment. Good morning. Room 653 for check-out, please. So, I'm just printing your bill, ma'am. So, by the way, how's your stay?
Oh, everything was perfect. Enjoy the sunset a little bit. And the sunset is my favorite part.
Here's your bill, ma'am.
Thank you.
Check your guest folio before we proceed to our check-out processes, ma'am.
Everything in this folio is correct.
Would you like to settle your account, ma'am?
The Visa card.
So, maybe just borrow your card, ma'am.
Ma'am?
So, here's your Visa card, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Picture here, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is, ma'am.
So, thank you so much, ma'am. And may we ask for the pay card?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Credit is,
So,
ma'am.
by the way, you were able to empty safety deposit box, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
It's good to hear, ma'am. You will be needing a taxi assistance or do you have a park card?
Yes, I'll be needing a taxi assistant. My flight leave within 3 hours. Do you think that I will get here on time?
Of course, ma'am. The next shuttle will be arrived by around 30 minutes and it will be takes in 1 hour and a half so to get you to the airport.
Okay, thank you.
So, would you like to sign a hotel guest book while waiting, ma'am?
Yes.
Here is it, ma'am.
Oh, by the way, do you have Dell membership?
Of course, we have a Prestige Club membership and it entitles your 15 discounts on your food bill, 15 discounts on the laundry for house guests, and 10% discounts on beverage orders. And it also gives you a corkage free for 5 bottles per banquet event. So, lastly, it provides a very special room rates exclusively for a member that can be qualified for 1 full year. So it is just a total of 6,500, ma'am.
Do you mind if I get a copy of this?
Of course, ma'am. This is the last that all you need is to do. And any questions or concerns, just call a front desk so that we will delight to assist you.
Okay, thank you. I enjoyed this day.
Thank you for staying Tagaytay Hotel. Hope to see you soon and have a safe trip, ma'am.
Thank you.